Today we talk about how can you disable critical app alerts on your Tandem app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above your photo profile, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on notification settings. You click on it here. So when you click here on notification settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on notification categories here. You come here to critical here app alerts. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see, color it's gone. That's mean critical app alerts disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.